रोटरी क्लब अफ तिनकोने काठमाडौँ प्रस्तुत गर्दछ रोटरी सम्बन्धी विविध समाचार, विचार एवं संवादलाई समेटिएको कार्यक्रम जय रोटरी।
Respected President Kuijeng Dorje Lama, Club First Lady Jigna Chedin, IPP Divyaman Sesji, Council of Governors, First Ladies, District Officers, past President and members of Rotary Club of Kantipur, Rotaract, Interact, and other dignitaries who present here. Sabhata paila, I would like to express my gratitude and congratulations to IPP DPG for his excellent job that he did in 2024-25. Congratulations, and hopefully you continue your support to the year 2025-26 equally as you did as your President's tenure. And congratulations to President Kuijeng Dorje Lama ji for taking the President role for 2025-26. Wish you all the best for you and your team. And I want to express best wishes and congratulations from RI President Francisco Araujo for your successful tenure as President of this prestigious Rotary Club RC Kantipur. And while listening IPP and the plan presented by newly installed President, I'm very proud that you are focusing very needy areas that we have to address our communities, which are education. Of course, you are encouraging teachers from primary schools, so awarding them not only encourage themselves, but it gives message to many other primary schools. Thank you for that, and I hope that will be continued in coming days. Kiran Dai and his spouse are very thankful, supporting school teachers through this call. Also, health, that is a very essential, very needy area where Rotary can contribute. We can contribute as complement and supplement to the government endeavor, their practices. The birthing center, supporting birthing center through global grant, that's very appreciated. I think the new president will continue what they did. They approved grant will be implemented properly. Environment is also very important one that you practiced, improve cooking, but I encourage you to go to electric one. That is my priority for this year as well, because we have our own production, hydroelectricity, and for environment is the best option, and it's economically very cheap comparing to LP gas, and we can compare with the firewood and other type of cooking fuel that we have been practicing. And at least we support to our countries, not only in our household economy, but also we are contributing to the country to save some money, sending India to buy LP gas. So if it's possible, please try to look on that, practice by your work, and you can give message to other members and your friends as well. Friends, for district, we have some priorities. Of course, clubs are free to come up with your own projects which meet Rotary and Rotary Foundation priorities. But from district side, we encourage clubs to give attention and take reference to few projects that we have proposed, which are in education, of course, computer lab, girls' toilet, school teachers training and IT, adult education, that we have resources and we have to support clubs on these activities. Please take that advantage and go on that. And health, of course, disability, supporting disability is one of our priority, and also focusing women health. Basically, cancer being big problems, mainly cervical cancer and breast cancer. So we encourage from district side, I encourage you to focus on that. Also uterus prolapse, which is still stigma in many places. Women, they don't want to show that they have that kind of problems. We have to dig out them who have problem and try to provide services where they are living. And environment, as I already mentioned, that will be the e-cooking project will be priority one, and I'm targeting 10,000 electric cooking in 2025-26. And my aim is many clubs do this kind of projects, and we can collectively present all the electric cooking project as a one project, and we can claim per your carbon credit. So for carbon credit, those who pollute they pay, and who absorb and who reduce the carbon emission they can get it. Business forums are there in international arena. I had made some connection with them, and they will be supporting us in this. So I'm trying, at least to make a project where 10,000 households are transferred from firewood to electric, so we can go for claim. So let's hope if we can try that, it can give masses to the government and many other organizations. Even private sector can put money on that and practice, to go for this business. My humble request to you, you already introduced one new member, and I heard, on August 1st you have Charter Day, and most probably I'll do DG officials visit on that day, and the club is already trying to bring more members, right? So my request is, please try to get as many members as possible, because we need more Rotarians, not clubs but Rotarians, that I encourage every club to increase members. And my humble request is, while you hand over your presidency, make at least +1 in your club. Whatever the members that you get, that you got in the 1st July, at least you have to put +1 while you are handing over to Vishnu Dai. So I wish you all the best for that. Friends, another priority and new initiation indeed for 25-26 is tourism. We Rotarian, we travel a lot in abroad. I think every one of us is traveling here and there. We get platform, Rotary platform and other platform to talk about our country, to talk about the beauty that we have in our country. But we are not utilizing that properly, and we don't have, many of us, we don't have key points, key notes that we can deliver to them, and also like the video clip and other materials. So this year we are trying to work with Nepal Tourism Board, getting their resources, and while we are traveling, maybe we disseminate our tourism activities, tourism attraction in Nepal, which may support to give good masses in international arena, which encourage many foreigners, they come and visit our country. On top of that, internally we travel here and there. On 1st July we had the DC installation in Pokhara. About 500 people went there, about 200 from my area from Pokhara, and 300 came from different cities, and large number came from Kathmandu, and I'm very thankful for that. These kind of activities also promote tourism, internal tourism. And besides that, many clubs, they have international partner. Because of the project that we have been doing, our international partner, they like to come Nepal, and there is of course additional reason for them to come and visit Nepal and time and again. So in such occasions also, we can give something new experience to them, which further encourage to disseminate good messages of our country in abroad. So through Rotary platform, I am very optimistic we can promote our tourism. Besides that, I have a request to you. Most of us have our friends, relatives in abroad. They are well established, they have good reputation, they have good connection. Please encourage them to join Rotary clubs over there, so they get platform to talk about country, to talk about Rotary activities in Nepal, our need, and they can find resources over there. They can bridge clubs in abroad to Nepalese club, so we can get more funding, we can get more resources, and we can perform better service projects in Nepal, which is our need, our community's need, and we have capable for that, and we are committed for that. So I encourage you all, please talk to your friends, talk to your relatives, and ask them to join Rotary Club wherever they are. And another thing, I'm trying, to expand our approach, not only working in our limitation, but expand our, the activities. So partnering with different organizations, non-Rotary organizations. For that, I'm planning to organize project fair in October, November in Kathmandu. We'll come up with a particular date soon where we can, show what Rotary clubs are doing in Nepal, the best projects that we have been doing in water and sanitation, health, education, environment, and many things that we have been doing. So we'll make collection of such good activities, and we'll show to be other Rotary clubs as well as non-Rotary organizations to the government, of course, and we'll try to bring more Rotarian friends to come Nepal at that time. From my side also, I try to bring my guests, Rotarian friends, and I also encourage different clubs. Please ask them to come at that time to Nepal so that they can see what Rotary is doing, and at the same time, clubs can present their good projects where our international partners might be interested, so we can make connection and we can do more projects. And it will not limit only to Rotary arena, but we can expand other organizations like UN, other different embassies, INGOs, etc., because they need reliable partner to work. And CSR is another example. Dinesh is working very hard on that. We already did 3 MOU to 3 different organizations to work with their CSR. So they give CSR to us, and at least 50% or 100%, whatever they give, we put 100%, and no administrative, no overhead, because as you know, what we practice in Rotary, all goes to needy people for right way, for right cause. So it will be promoted at that project fair as well. Thank you so much for your support. Wish you all the best. You are a fantastic club, one of the very vibrant club in the district. I'm very much hopeful to get your support in the districts, to support clubs in outside the country as well, to work in partnership. Thank you so much. Good luck. Have a wonderful year.
रोटरी क्लब अफ तिनकुने काठमाडौँ प्रस्तुत गर्दछ रोटरी सम्बन्धी विविध समाचार, विचार एवं संवादलाई समेटिएको कार्यक्रम जय रोटरी।